Hi everybody, in this guide I'll show you the procedure on how can you get WhatsApp for Apple Watch. While there isn't a dedicated official WhatsApp app for WhatsApp or Apple Watch, you could still use WhatsApp on your wrist by enabling notification and turning and utilizing third-party apps. You'll be able to see incoming messages and potentially reply as well, but full app functionality isn't available on the watch itself. Now here, what you have to do is connect WhatsApp to your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone and Apple Watch are connected and that Bluetooth is enabled on the device itself. Here, what next you want to do is open the settings app on your iPhone, go to the notification section and ensure that allow all notifications are enabled. Customize the notification settings for WhatsApp itself, and here you could go ahead and make sure to enable the permissions and all that or notifications. As you've done it, so you could scroll down to mirror iPhone, and that way you'll be able to use WhatsApp for Apple Watch. So this is an alternative way to use it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.